This is only, what, 2 days?
Pretty good.
Yeah, it's pretty good for 2 days, or a day and a half. That's pretty good. All right, the big reveal. Try these new ones. I hate coin boxes. That's pretty good for those. Try these 20s. This is only, what, 2 days?
Pretty good.
Yeah, it's pretty good for 2 days, or a day and a half. That sounds good. I think I just jinxed myself. The other thing too is, it doesn't look as much when you have these big coin boxes now. Yeah, you can audit them. Now we'll go to the dryers. Make it easy on yourself, put it in a laundry cart. Also, make sure you have one key for the whole laundromat. I'm starting to have like 2 or 3 keys. You notice I slam them, it's because they don't lock. They're really a pain in the butt. A lot of people give me grief about slamming the boxes, but if you don't really make sure they're in there, they'll be unlocked and they'll pop out. I'll show you. Here's a typical error. If you don't lock this box all the way, so say it's out like that, and you go to put money in, and then you hit start. See this? Basically it's in program mode because this box isn't in all the way. There's actually a sensor back there. That thing pushes in with the back of the box. And so that tells it it's in program mode. So if you have the box all the way in, see now it's gonna work. That happens to a lot of people. A lot of newbies will run into that. They don't realize their box may not be in all the way. Well, she's loading up all the goodies. That's $1. Give up your day job for $1, folks.
Nope.
And the other thing is too, is ESD keys are made of brass, and they start to wear themselves out over time. That's pretty good. Nope. The $1 coin. See, my dealer gave me these machines. They can take $1, they can take 25 cents. Problem is you have to sort them. Most of my customers never use $1 coins, but I'm starting to notice them lately, and that's not good. All right, got one behind you. I'm gonna do the top loaders. All right, top loader time. Oh, that was heartbreaking. All right, 2 more. Once again, make sure you have one key. And you gotta figure out what key it is. Let's see what the change machine looks like.
Uh-oh. Who could it be?
Hello?
Yes, I'm down here at the laundromat, and I was just wondering if they were gonna put change in the change machine down here. I've been down here trying to put money.
I'll be there in probably about 20 minutes, 30 minutes.
All right.
All right, thank you. Western. I told you to run out of change. Western ran out of change, so we're going there next.
Now it's good that we have it on camera.
It is, because now we knew what was going on. Ah, this is archaic. I carefully measured out each side because each side has the same amount of quarters. Very scientific. Very precise right here. All right, the big reveal. Not bad, really, for a day. That's not bad at all. Now we're gonna run to Western and change out another one. All right, you ready?